Before you make a purchase, here are the 7 things you absolutely need to know about Vivoprint. It's a promising tool in the market, but is it the best choice for your printing needs? Stick around and we'll compare it to other options out there and help you make the best decision. First off, Vivoprint is a cloud-based print management solution that's designed to simplify your printing processes. It offers an efficient way to handle print jobs, monitor usage, and even cut down on costs, making it a strong contender against traditional on-premise print management systems. You might be wondering how it compares to the likes of PrintFleet or PaperCut, which are also popular in this space. While both have similar features, Vivoprint's intuitive interface and integration with cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox make it stand out, especially for businesses that are moving toward paperless operations. Next thing, Vivoprint's scalability. This is a huge benefit if you're looking for a long-term solution that grows with your business. Whether you have a small team or a large enterprise, Vivoprint can scale up or down depending on your needs. Unlike competitors like Print Audit, which may require more complex configuration for larger networks, Vivoprint allows for easy management across different devices and locations, which is great if you operate in multiple offices. The third thing to consider is Vivoprint's pricing model. Compared to alternatives like PaperCut, which charge a licensing fee based on the number of devices, Vivoprint is subscription-based. While this might seem like an upfront cost, many users find the subscription model to be more cost-effective in the long run since there are no additional hidden fees and you get updates and support as part of the package. For those on the fence about pricing, Vivoprint does offer a trial period so you can test it out risk-free and decide if it fits your budget. Moving on, the user experience. Vivoprint offers a user-friendly interface that's easy for non-technical staff to navigate. Setting up the software is straightforward, and it's compatible with both Windows and Mac. This ease of use can be a big plus if you've struggled with the complicated dashboards of other print management tools like PrintFleet. It's clear that Vivoprint focuses on accessibility, which is a big win for smaller businesses without an IT department. The fifth thing is how it tracks printing. Vivoprint provides detailed analytics on print jobs, helping you track usage, costs, and even find areas where you can reduce waste. If you're aiming to make your printing more sustainable or cost-effective, these insights are invaluable. It even offers the ability to set print quotas and restrict color printing, features that many competitors, including PaperCut, offer, but at a higher price point. The sixth thing to know is its integration with other software. Vivoprint easily integrates with your existing office tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, which is something many print management solutions don't always get right. This makes it easier for employees to print from their cloud accounts without complicated configurations. If you're already using cloud services for your documents, Vivoprint's seamless integration is a huge advantage over competitors that lack this level of interoperability. The seventh thing to consider is customer support. Vivoprint provides 24/7 customer support with a dedicated team to help you resolve issues quickly. This is crucial because, unlike some competitors, Vivoprint offers direct access to knowledgeable support agents who can guide you through troubleshooting and configuration, ensuring you don't lose valuable time dealing with technical problems. Now, if you're considering Vivoprint, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you the chance to experience the full range of features and see how it compares to other print management tools without any commitment. And if you decide Vivoprint is the right fit, you'll get exclusive access to the best deal available. Don't miss out on this limited offer. Click that link below and start managing your printing more efficiently today.